Okay, in this quick video, what I wanted to cover is the money management rules of the trend capture models and why it's important for you to follow those particular money management rules and the power of, if you do follow them, uh, exactly what the rewards could potentially be and why it's important to remain disciplined with those money management rules. You can see here, this is the Nasdaq model, and there's a 3-tick initial stop loss after a signal is given, and there's a 9-tick conservative exit. So a 3-tick potential loss on a stop out and a 9-tick potential gain on the conservative exit. So it's a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So let's go through this particular day as an example so that you can see exactly how that reward to risk can help you out. You see the very first trade of the day was a short, began to go in your direction, but ultimately got stopped out for a 3-tick loss. So then moving further through the day, we had another signal right here. It was a long. You can see about 10:20 a.m. and that ultimately reached the first profit target of 9 ticks, the conservative. This is the more aggressive target up here, but we're going to base these all on the conservative targets because that's typically where I get out. So that was good for 9 ticks. And then the next signal we had was right here. That was a short, and that was good for 9 ticks. You can see it completely fell out of bed. I mean, ultimately you could have gotten about 20 ticks out of the thing, but like I said, you've got to follow a plan and be regimental with that. Remain disciplined. And the last trade of the day ended up being another stop out for 3 ticks. So here is the entire key to that money management. The net results for that particular day were 2 wins and 2 losses. You only had a 50% win rate, but when you tally everything up at the end of the day, you ended up with a profit of 12 ticks or 3 points. So you're only going 50-50, but yet you're still able to end the day with a very nice profit. So that's just one example of how the models are set up with a tight money management, and it really will help your bottom line if you're disciplined enough to follow that money management and place all of your orders accordingly based upon the rules. In this case, as I said earlier, the 3-tick initial stop with your first target for profit at 9 ticks. So that gives you 3-to-1.